Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's Vlogmas, I'll be showing you guys what goes on behind the scenes of me selling on Mercari. So I'm basically gonna sell some items on Mercari, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right to it. So first things first, if you guys are interested in any of these items, or if you guys like any of these items, I will be linking my Mercari down below, so you guys could go ahead and shop these items and I could ship them to you guys through Mercari, through the Mercari app. So Mercari is very safe. In case you guys haven't used Mercari, it's a very safe place to shop for things. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in any of these things, make sure to check out my Mercari in the description, okay? So these are the jeans that I will be selling, and I'll be showing you guys how I take a picture of them. And I'll also be selling this bra, and then all of this stuff. So yeah, let's get right to taking pictures of these. So another thing that I wanted to mention is that it rained today, so the lighting was really off. So I actually set up my ring light. If you guys are interested in purchasing the ring light, it is so worth it, and it really has helped me like not wait for the sun. Like I don't have to wait for the sun like to take pictures. I could just take them in the night if I want to. So if you guys are interested in buying like a ring light, I'll leave mine down below so you guys could go check it out. And yeah, like I love my ring light. I love not waiting for the sun like to go a little bit down to take pictures. Like I'm so in control like of my photos. So just wanted to mention that. And so right now the ring light is off. I'm gonna show you guys like right now that I turn on the ring light. So I also wanted to mention that I use my iPhone 11. It is a regular iPhone 11 to take most of my pictures on Mercari. I hardly use my camera unless it's something like more expensive, like that I'm gonna take a picture of. Usually I will use my camera and I'll just see which picture looks better. So usually I go off of that, like which picture looks better, like which one is more easy to edit, which one, like I'm kind of picky with the pictures because I want them to be like a little bit perfect. But yeah, I just wanted to say that too, that I am using my iPhone 11. And yeah. So now that I'm done taking pictures of the items I'm gonna sell, I am actually going to measure them. I have this measuring tape. I couldn't find my other measuring tape, so this is my sister's. I'll be using this, and this one, it has the inches and centimeters, and it's pretty long. So I'm gonna show you guys how I measure and how I measure the jeans and the shirts, because I know they're not the same measurements. You need different measurements for each. So I'll be like putting a photo so you guys could see what to measure. And so usually I put the measurements in my notes app on the iPhone, but if you guys have like an Android, you guys could also use the notes on there. And I just put what measurements I need and then what came out, how many, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And so you always want to have accurate measurements because people want to know how big like the clothes are, because they're not in person, they're online. So it's very good to have the accurate measurements, and so they could get an idea of how big the clothes are, like if it's gonna fit them. And yeah, it's just better for your customer. And yeah, let's get to it. So today's Friday and I finally finished taking pictures of everything. So what I wanted to do is include some really good tips for you guys in case you guys are new, or in case you guys like wonder what I do. So hopefully these tips are helpful for you guys and you guys make more sales and also learn a couple of things. So I actually wrote them down. So the first tip is I cross list. So what this means is that I do not only post on Mercari, I post on Facebook, OfferUp, Mercari, Poshmark, and Vinted. So as I was listing my stuff up for sale on Mercari, I decided to go on Vinted. And this is what I usually do. I cross list everywhere on all the platforms that I sell on. And so basically, like 2 hours later, I went to the city with my sister. Like, she had an appointment, so I was waiting in the car like to get there, and I got a sale on Vinted. I was gonna say Mercari because I'm so used to getting sales on Mercari, but I got a sale on Vinted, and that was super exciting. I just looked down and I'm like, oh my god, like I got a sale, yay! So that is another way to get sales. That's how I get sales most of the time. I just cross list, and then when something sells, like, I delete it off of the other platform that I posted it on. Like if it's sold on Vinted, I delete it on Mercari. So that's what I do. So another tip that I have for you guys is to just sell stuff, like even if it has like a rip or a stain. So I actually posted some Nike shorts that had like a rip, and they did sell. That was the item that sold literally yesterday. And yeah, just don't be afraid to post those items, as long as you put like that they're ripped or that they have a stain. Make sure that you don't lie to people, obviously. Never lie. And then you're gonna have an angry mob at your house or messaging you. Like, you do not want that. So another tip, since I do sell on OfferUp, I've been selling on OfferUp for like a long time, probably since like 2017 or 2018, I don't remember, but I've been on there for a long time. So the thing that I do on OfferUp is I actually price the item higher, so then if they lowball me, they could just offer me the price that I want. So if I wanted like 40, I would put it for 60, or if I wanted 20, I would put it for 40, and so on. But obviously I don't exaggerate. So yeah, that's how I avoid like lowballs and annoying messages. So the next tip is, it's okay if your item doesn't sell right away. That doesn't mean that you failed. Just wait for the item to sell, and if it doesn't sell, you could just give it away or see what you do with it, or just learn from your experience. And these tips are so exciting. So the next one is, if you notice that a certain brand is selling, like, keep getting more of that brand. So for me, I noticed that Nike sells right away. Like, I don't know why, but Nike and Aria, and I forgot the other brand, but those are the top brands that I know that sell right away. Like, I think maybe because they're top brands, maybe. Those are the brands that sell for me. And I think they're different for everybody, but that is what sells for me. And I'm very proud of that. Like, I don't know why. Okay, so the next one is post stock photos with your items. So if you're selling like a jacket or a shirt, make sure to include like a stock photo if you want, because like people could see how it's gonna look on them if it's clothes. And people could even see, like, if it's like a smartwatch or a phone, like, include stock photos. Sometimes people need to see stock photos. They want to see, you know, the item in action. And yeah, so those are all my tips. Hopefully you guys try them out. If any of you guys try them out, you know, come back to this video, and if you make a sale or something, or if it went good, just comment back on my video, be like, oh my god, your tips worked, or something like that. Okay. So literally, I've spent all of Vlogmas just doing all this. This is what I do most of the time. I just sell stuff online. And make sure to check out all my other videos so you guys could get some more tips if you guys like my tips. And yeah, so I got the order for Vinted, so I'm probably going to do a video on that. So make sure you're subscribed and like and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.